The Ugly Duckling. A mother duck was contentedly sitting on her eggs when one of them started to hatch. A little orange beak poked out, and then a fluffy yellow down-covered body emerged. Next came a second duckling, then a third. All the new arrivals were frolicking about when the final egg, the biggest of them all, began to crack. Out popped the biggest, hairiest, and ugliest duckling ever seen. When the mother duck led her brood down to the pond for their first swim, all the other farm animals whispered, "Look how ugly that duckling is." In the pond, the ugly duckling was so clumsy that everyone made fun of him, even his brothers and sisters. The poor creature was so miserable that he fled away through the reeds and didn't turn back, even though he had no idea where he was going. Time went by and autumn eventually turned to winter. One day, while the ugly duckling was taking a nap on the surface of a still lake, the water froze around him and he found himself trapped in ice. A passing farmer caught sight of the poor animal. With one strong kick, he broke the ice and saved the duckling. The man took him home and warmed him up by the fire. His good fortune was, however, short-lived, as the farm dog and cat never stopped making fun of his appearance. So much so that the ugly duckling decided to leave the farm. "How unlucky I am to have been born so ugly," lamented the duckling each day. Then spring came, with its colorful flowers and welcome warmth. The ugly duckling made the most of the fine weather to go for a dip in a peaceful river. Oh no! He had only gone and bumped into two magnificent swans. They were the most handsome creatures he had ever seen. They were surely going to make fun of him. "Hello, brother," greeted the most majestic swan. The ugly duckling didn't understand what the swan meant until he caught sight of his reflection in the water. It turned out that he wasn't a duck after all, but a beautiful swan. A swan who had finally found his real family. The end.